Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads to HubSpot. This integration allows you to track your Facebook ad performance directly within HubSpot, giving you a complete view of how your ads drive leads and conversions. First, open your browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to get access to HubSpot's tools. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your marketing activities. Now look up to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. Click on it and select Settings from the options that appear. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your HubSpot account, including the ability to connect external platforms like Facebook. Before moving forward, you'll want to verify that the ads feature is available on your account. In the left sidebar, look for Marketing or a dedicated Ads section. If you don't see an Ads option, this might mean your current HubSpot plan doesn't include it. You may need to upgrade your plan or enable the Ads add-on to access this functionality. Once you've confirmed the Ads feature is available, navigate through the left sidebar to Marketing, then click on Ads. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and monitor all your advertising accounts in one place. Within the Ads section, click on Add Accounts. This will show you any accounts you've already connected and give you the option to add new ones. Here's where the actual connection process begins. Click Connect Account and select Facebook as your ad provider from the options presented. A Facebook login window will pop up, prompting you to sign in. Make sure you're using your Facebook business account here, as that's where your ad accounts are managed. After signing in, HubSpot will request certain permissions to access your Facebook ads data. Review these permissions carefully. They're necessary for syncing your ad performance metrics. Click Continue or Allow to authorize the connection between the two platforms. Finally, you'll be prompted to choose which Facebook ad accounts you want to connect to HubSpot. This is especially useful if you manage multiple ad accounts. Select the accounts you want to track, then confirm the connection. Once confirmed, HubSpot will begin syncing your Facebook ads data automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.